Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an email template in Gmail. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Gmail and make sure that you are logged in into your right account. Simply go ahead and click on the setting option right over here on the top right, which is going to be a little gear icon, and click on see your settings. Once you do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead into advanced and now first enable your templates. And once you've done that, click on save changes. Finally, once you've done that, go ahead into compose and go ahead and write a letter or the email that you normally just send and you want to save as a template. Now all you need to do is click on this triple dot icon right over here, and what you want to do is on templates, simply click save draft as template and save as new template. Once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and name the template and now click on save. Once you do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and compose a new mail, and all you can do is just go to templates and click on that and it will bring it back right over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.